Hi everyone. I've seen one of the YouTube and news articles about recently development of the anti-cancer vaccination, cancer drug. But I've checked in TGA and the US FDA. There is no evidence for the. So I tell you what is happening here. Now we are facing cancer is the second leading case of death in worldwide, and a serious threat of the human health. Multiple treatment have been developed by cancer treatment, but there is no new anti-cancer drug still developed. But approved drugs have well characterized bioactivities, safety, bioavailability properties, will dynamically attract development. As a MCE offer a unique collection of 1,475 approved drugs with the anti-cancer activities, which can be for the discover of a new anti-cancer drugs as a positive common use for anti-cancer research. Meanwhile, there is not a single medicine at the same time approved by the US FDA and TGA. What do you mean the TGA? TGA means Australian Therapeutic Good Administration. That's the TGA. Several drugs approved for the US FDA have been are well reviewed for approval by the TGA as is a common pharmaceutical regulation. I have seen one of the YouTube in English. The video mentioned the drug called the Omega that was approved by the both TGA and FDA treating inside of a bone marrow cancer, which is a specific example of this is happening. But there is no recently FDA approved cancer medications with the Omega in the name of 2024 and 2025. However, there are no approval 2024 or 25. No some anti-cancer drug is developed. Breast cancer drug is developed. Head and neck drug is developed. Small lung cancer drug is anti-cancer drug is developed. But it is not possible to the Omega was a misunderstanding the drug name or was used in reference related to according to FDA approval therapies as suggested by the study on Australian as a drug therapies. Example, FDA approval drug can be potential actual Australian approval TGA. We need TGA approval. So as per country regulation approval without approval, say example, we are conducting one of the human trial in India. We need for the DCG approval. After that, we can go for the any independent ethics committee approval. We can conduct the pharmaceutical conduct for the human trial. But there in commonly we can say the unique collection of 1,475 drugs is commonly anti-cancer attitude and high probability screening and high content screening drug is available. A useful tools for the anti-cancer research and anti-cancer reporting. All compounds have been approved by the FDA and EMA and our country's regulation. Yeah, all compounds have been approved by the FDA. Structural debates and bioactives and small cell competition. More details, compound information with the structural IC15 and the brief introduction, NMR, HPLC validation ensure high quality.